meeshan waxaan iskugu imaanaa maanta arrin ka dhacda xalay meeshan nuno modika inta u dhaxayso arrin aad u qaab daran oo cunug yar oo 25 jir ah lagu toogtay aan aaminsanahay in lagu toogtay meeshaas oo nimanka ciidanka oo la rabay inay ammaanka wadanka sugaan inay nin wadani ay ku toogtaan waan ka xunnahay aad baan uga xunnahay haddaan nahay madaxdiina madaxda wadanka aan nahay gobolka aan nahay aad baan arrintan noo xun shalay baan meeshan joognay arrin sidan oo kale oo ka dhacday Dhammaajaaley yaan shalay meeshan u joognay annaga sida ogtiin waxaan postmortem ma raacno laakiin sababtan u sameeyna saas postmortem u sugayna maxay waxaan tuhunsan yaa jira marka waxaan u baaq u dirayaa nimanka ciidanka ammaanka sugan inay arrintanayto xil weyn iska saaraan hadday moodayiin arrimihii sanadihii 1980s inaan wali daba taagan hadaan nahay reer gobolka Northeastern arrinta ka oylooban arrintan wiilashan shalay la dilay kii maanta xalay la dilay arrintooda waxa waay hadaan madaxdiina nahay inaan daba gali doono doolar ka noqdo inaan daba istaagi doono nimanka ammaanka sugan oo nimanka arrintan aan u malaynayn aan ku tumayno inay arrintan galeen inaan ka daba tagi doono haduu ilaahay raali ka noqdo inagana waxaan niga codsanaynaa familygana uu samar iimaan inuu ilaahay siiyo cunuganayta dhintay meeshu ka baxay ilaahay inuu ku qeyr qalab ku soo bedelo wax qeyr qaba inuu familyiga siiyo familygana waxaan leenahay booleni sana
waan dadwanaynaa ilaa iyo meesha logical conclusion oo dadka ka dambeeyay siyaabo badan oo gaari lagu joojin karaa jirta.
We are gathered here at Garissa mortuary together with the local leaders from Garissa and the family members about an incident that happened last night. A taxi driver by the name Ahmed Sheikh Umar, 25 years old, has been shot by RDU officers stationed at Modika last night at around 11 a.m. Very unfortunate incident. This is the second incident within a span of 2 weeks that we have an incident involving police brutality. What is disturbing is that the officers reported the incident as a road traffic accident, while witness statement who were in the vehicle confirmed that the late Ahmed was shot at a close range with gunshot by police officers. This morning we gathered with DCI officers from Garissa, IPOA within Garissa, family members, and initial medical physical examination confirmed that the deceased was shot at close range and had a bullet wound on the head. We are calling upon the National Police Service authorities, IPOA and human rights activists, to expedite investigation and ensure that the RDU officers stationed at Modika are arrested and arraigned in court expeditiously. We don't want this case to be investigated as an inquiry file. We want an investigation to be expeditiously initiated and those officers who are involved to be arraigned in court. The RDU officers Rapid Deployment Unit have now taken the functions of traffic police officers within Garissa. They are stopping all vehicles, and this is not the mandate of RDU officers. Police brutality is now becoming rampant in Garissa. We want the Inspector General of Police, the DCI Director Mohammed Amin, and other relevant authorities to ensure that this case is handled expeditiously. We are not going to bury our brother until we get a pathologist and ensure that full investigations are done.
We are gathered here today to mourn the loss of life of a young, enthusiastic, vibrant young man by the name Ahmed Sheikh Umar at personal level. He was not a criminal. He was a young man doing taxi business. He had no criminal record. He has never done any offense from the Republic of Kenya. So today is a sad day because his life has been cut short by trigger-happy RDU officers stationed at Modika. We are just wondering, why would they kill such an innocent young man?
Accident.
Unfortunately, the traffic police officers have reported that as an accident.
RDU.
The RDU police officers have reported that as an accident. It's not an accident. The bullet wound is clearly on his head. The public and those witnesses that were at the scene have also reported that he was shot by the RDU officers.